Do you want to know how you can make a good profile on SoundCloud? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make yourself a good profile in SoundCloud. Go ahead and open soundcloud.com on your Chrome or Edge browser. Go to your profile, click on profile, and then click edit, which is over here. Now what you can do is edit your profile. You must keep a good photo, write a good display name, and you can edit your profile URL, your first name, your last name, your city, your country, and make sure you write a good bio. So write a good bio, and then you can give your link. So you can click add support link. Go ahead and write down your support link and then click add link. Go ahead and write down your email address, your sort title, and then click save changes. This way you can create a good profile. So all you need to do is go to your profile and then click profile and click edit. Now you can write down a good display name, update a good profile picture, write down your name, last name, city, country, and your bio. This way you can complete your profile and make it look good. I hope this video about how you can create a profile in SoundCloud was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.